Tailscale versus Cloudflare. Let's get started. So Tailscale is a zero-config VPN built on WireGuard. It creates a secure mesh network between your devices. It's ideal for remote access, Teams, and private services. Now Cloudflare Tunnel, on the other hand, is a reverse proxy tunneling service that exposes your local server to the internet through Cloudflare's edge network. There are no port forwarding or public IP needed. So let's talk about their pros. So for Tailscale, it offers peer-to-peer VPN using fast WireGuard protocol. It is simple to set up and works on nearly every OS. And it's great for personal and team private networks. Now for Cloudflare, it exposes local services to the public internet securely. There's no need for port forwarding or static IP. And it has integrated with Cloudflare security. And it is also offering free tier and is very generous. So why should you choose them? So use Tailscale if you want a secure private VPN across all your devices, and use Cloudflare if you want to safely expose a local web service to the internet.